Athen is watering my plants for me. He went too fast a second ago, and it all fell out, and he had to turn around and go back and get some more. Yes, the tomato plant needs some too, thank you. Yes, it needs water. Thank you, Athen. Mama's good little helper. Good job, baby. Yes, you can do some more. Yes, you can water the blueberries. Yes, the bell pepper too. And the tomato. Yes, it needs water. Thank you. Yes, dear. Yes. Thank you, sweetie.